Okay, another student used displacement reactions to investigate the relative reactivity of the four metals W, X, Y and Z. Okay, displacement reactions, remember the most reactive metal will displace the less reactive metal from its compound. The table below shows the students' results. Okay, so here they are. Okay, we've got the observations of metals, we've got copper, we've got solutions, different solutions out here. Give the order of reactivity of metals W, X, Y and Z. So use the results in the table to justify your answer. Okay, so we've got to try and use these results to justify which one's the most reactive, which one's the least reactive. And we're going to go from most reactive, and I'm going to write it in here just so I know the examiner absolutely knows which way round, and I'm sure I know which way round. It's worth 3 marks in total, so we're going to get 1 mark for doing this, and then we've got to justify at least 2 things. We've got to justify why we've put in that position. So, which one's the least, first of all? Well, the least, no change there. So metal Z is unable to displace rather, these metals. Okay, so it's unable to steal whatever these other metals have got. So the least one is metal Z. And I don't know why I've written metal. I could have just written Z. Let's be a bit quicker. Okay, so that's definitely going to be Z. Okay, does any one of these, which one reacts most? So there's no reaction, no reaction, no reaction, no reaction, no change, no change, no change, no change, no change. Okay, so looks like this one's got the least, so metal W is going to be the most reactive. So let's justify that. So let's just say why we picked Z first of all. So Z is unable to displace any of the metals in solution. Okay, we know that W is able to displace the most metals in solution. And then we've got to pick which one of these two. So we've done that one, we've done that one, metal X and Z. So which one? So brown layer formed on the metal, well they're the same. It's between these two. Few gas bubbles produced. So I think that's going to be more reactive. So Y and X. So let's just, I know we don't have to do this now, but let's just say why we think Y and X. Y is more reactive than X. So Y reacts similarly, or in a similar way, reacts in similar way to X, but X only had a few bubbles of gas in sulfuric acid. Okay, so that will do. That's explained there really clearly why I've got that order. X and Y are a bit awkward, but I think it's worth making sure there that it's 3 marks, 3 bullet points. We've explained why we've put them in each position. Okay.